In this discussion, you can see how to use underscore log underscore access attribute in model level. Also, we will see the real test case. In case you missed previous discussion about how to use underscore order model level attribute, please check. Link is given in description. Well, let me refresh the old discussion related 5 different columns created by Odoo itself, like id create underscore dat, write underscore dat, create underscore uid, and write underscore uid. Uid means user id, like who updated or who created. Basically, Odoo create 5 different types of fields automatically in backend side. Whenever like user can create any model means any type of model, like the abstract model or transient model. So here we will see like how you can stop like those 4 fields in Odoo in database side. Then it is also possible using this underscore log underscore access model attribute. For example, we will see 2 types of scenario. The first one is, let's see like existing model we need to stop first, and then we are trying to create one more new model, and then after we will apply the same attribute, and let's see what happened. For your information, first we need to understand like underscore log underscore access supports boolean data type. By default it's a true, and only if you want to stop those auto creation while installing a module, or while upgrading the module you want to stop the existing any model to feed the value in database side, it is also possible. Like let's see, before we will go to in terminal, let me show you in front end side. Okay, let me go to in student profile here, and you can see we have this id create dat, and we also have 3 more fields available in backend side, which is not visible right now in list view. Let's see how it's work. Okay, let me go to here and let me show you that columns also. Write uid from like school student. Okay, so you can see like total we have 5 records. In each record we like this create date, then after user id like create uid, write date, and write uid. So Odoo automatically manage these 4 fields automatically, and yes, by default id is also mandatory for each model. And one more thing you have to understand is like underscore log underscore access only stop this one, not the id, excluding the id I mean. So here you can also stop, like if you are creating a new record or existing any like existing record you can update, so it will not log here in this part, and for the creation part it won't be also update in these fields. Let's see how. I guess you understood the basic things, right? If you don't know, like still if you confused or having any query, please rewind this video and repeat this session again. Okay, let me go to in my first tab and let me open the student profile. Okay, so you can see here like I have this student profile here, and let me add here like this, and we have to give here a false value because by default it's a true, and I'm just giving as a false, that's it. And one more thing is you don't need to also upgrade the module, because once you will restart the service it's updated in backend side. So after, we have to go to here and refresh the page, but before the refresh the page, uh, I have to hide this field, because now onwards, like Odoo ORM registry won't recognize this field, like these four fields. So if it is available in tree or any view, it will raise the error. We will also see the how this error will rise. Okay, let me comment this one and also upgrade this module. I'm just upgrading this module for this XML changes, but we don't need to upgrade while we updated only this model level attribute. Only required is the restart the service. Okay, I guess it's successfully upgraded, and let me refresh the page here, and let me go to the first record and let me duplicate this one, part 2, something like this, for the easily understanding. And you can see ID is 8, and let me go to again in database and here you can see like this ID don't have, like Odoo won't added these four fields automatically. And now onwards, like any user create any number of records, like record 1, then after let me duplicate 2, then after 3. So Odoo won't be automatically add this four fields. So basically this is the main purpose of this attribute, and might be it will having a question in your mind like why we need to hide this four fields. Because like if you create any model which is only for the record purpose and it won't be displayed in front end side also, and you are just managing the raw data, that time you can just use this underscore log underscore access equal to false. Rest you can use, it's up to you also, up to your requirement. So I'm just giving you a basic idea about like how this attribute is work. And this is for, like here again, like this is for the existing model. Let me create one more model here, like newly created model which is not available in Odoo's ORM directory. Let's say log access attribute class. Log access attribute class. And one more thing, I am just using like access equal to false. I'm only using the name field. And here let me comment this one, because we need here, sorry, I need here this log access true by default, because I'm using here this create dat and create UID obviously in my existing record. So let me upgrade the module here. Okay, it's successfully upgraded, and let me refresh the page again. Okay, now you can see like create date is visible now, but it's not available the create date for this four records which is created. few minutes back. And let me also duplicate this record, like record 4, and if I will go to entry view, I mean list view, you can see this create that and write that also appear here. So this is the magic of this attribute. And let me use the cell command to create a one more record for this table, I mean this model. And before that one, let me show you the schema of this new table. Before, like we will see the schema of the student profile, you can see here you will get this four fields by default, and Odoo automatically create. And let me show you the oops let me show you this newly created class, I mean the table. And here have only two fields like id and name. Now like Odoo don't have the these four fields by default. And let me copy this model name. Okay, it's created. Okay, it's created. Let me commit this one and let me okay, first here we will see select start from log access class. Sorry, it's typing mistake. And you can see here like we have two columns and two rows, which is created few seconds back. And oops, sorry. So you can see something like this way you can use. And also one more thing is, let me comment this one and exit from this terminal. And I have to upgrade the module because here I like first time like Odoo didn't create those four fields. So now I gave here like log access false, sorry, log access is true. So we need to also upgrade the module. And it will create this four fields. So this there is a two case I show you, and the third one is like let's say in my create that, so create that or write UID or create UID, which is available like this four fields is any of these four fields is available in any view. And user forcefully trying to use this attribute, then Odoo confused, hey, why you are using these four fields, you stopped already in model level. Then it will automatically rise the error message from the front end side. I am just restarting the service, no need to upgrade. And let me refresh the page. You can see here it's having this issue like this model don't have this field. Again, let me go to here and comment this line, and let me restart the service, and again let me refresh the browser like this page, and now you can see it's working. So like this way you can use this model level attribute underscore log underscore access. I hope you understood this model level, like this attribute. In case you have any query or doubt, please comment below, and see you in next session.